Long before Herbert Hoover became the 31st President of the United States, he was known as the Great Humanitarian. During World War I, Hoover took charge of the Commission for Relief in Belgium, providing food to millions affected by the war. He continued his humanitarian missions as the U.S. Food Administrator, promoting food conservation to support Allied troops. Despite his remarkable international efforts, Hoover's presidency was overshadowed by the Great Depression. Yet, his innovative work, such as initiating public works projects, laid the groundwork for future leaders. His legacy underscores a life dedicated to humanitarian aid long before he stepped into the Oval Office.